guys, this is Cheryl once again from Saladmaster here in Perth, and today I want to show you how to make baked mac and cheese using our electric oil-core skillet. First thing we need to do is to use cone number 1 to mince our garlic. Let's use cone number 2 for our onions. Now it's time to add the minced beef, which we actually defatted using our mister or culinary basket, which you can see and watch in another video. Just click the link. Add the ham. Let's put mushroom. So button mushroom, you can put it inside using cone number 4, or you can do it outside. And that's how easy to cut your mushroom using the Saladmaster machine. Now it's time to add our dry macaroni pasta. You don't need to pre-boil. Now it's time to add the wet ingredients. Let's start with the tomato sauce, or if you want, spaghetti sauce. Now let's add the cream of mushroom. Okay, all-purpose cream. Let's just mix it. Just clean the sides with all the food bits. Cover it. Cook it for about 40 to 45 minutes. You'll start at 230 degrees. When you hear the clicking, just turn it down to 90 degrees for about 40 to 45 minutes. Now let's grate some cheese using cone number 1 of our Saladmaster machine. Now it's time to add the cheese. After 45 minutes, this is how it looked like. Ta-da! Look at that. Yum! Thanks for watching! And if you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe. Bye!